Got two weapons and they on both hills. Got two still with me, but I got 4 clips. When I fuck her, I fuck her so focused. Shawty love me cause I don't take no shit. She gon' do what I say, I'm controlling. Baby girl, make sure that them legs open. I be constantly.
Welcome to my video. This is my first video. I wanted to do eyebrows because if anybody knows me, I've been doing my eyebrows since I was like in middle school, because I've always just been like insecure because they're like a little bit, even though they're there, I just want them to be fuller and like I want to have like a little arch or whatever. So the products and brushes that I have are like not all fancy makeup guru, but I do get them from BH Cosmetics. Came in this. The brush set wasn't that expensive, maybe like $8 to $12. They're really good brushes. I've had them for a while. I've been using these for a minute. The two brushes I'm going to use out of there are actually whatever this brush is called, and then whatever this brush is called, and then this brush isn't in the pack, but I actually just got this. It's an e.l.f. brush to go like under. I thought it would have been easier because the one I have is small. Okay, so I know like a lot of like people do like pomade and whatever else they use, but I use the like just the regular pencil because it's just easier. And honestly, to me, the pomade and everything, it gives it more of like a makeup look. But I mean, obviously it's makeup, but I mean, I just like to go more natural because I don't want people to know. Like, obviously they're gonna know, but I don't want people to be like, oh, she filled her eyebrows in. Like, okay, thanks, I know, but that wasn't what I was trying to achieve. So we can get started. Okay, the first thing I do is brush my eyebrows out. My eyebrows are moisturized. I always keep my eyebrows moisturized because if you don't, they'll get dry and start cracking. You lose some hair, and yeah, keep them moisturized and looking healthy. Okay, so I got my Wet n Wild brush. I got my Wet n Wild pencil, and I usually start with this side. I don't know why, but let me bring my mirror closer. Okay, so I start under and kind of like outline. Okay, so I'm sorry, I'm just gonna have to give y'all a step by step because people just really go hard on their eyebrows, and I'm just like, they don't need to be that thick. If anything, they just need to look natural. The thickest part of my eyebrow is usually up in the middle where like the arch is supposed to be. So I usually measure like where the tail is supposed to end, and then boom, end it right there. Just go light, like don't go so hard. It's never that serious. You don't want them to like stick out and look like you actually colored them shits in. Like, no. And then just like, I kind of just brush it out as I go to like give it that faded look. I always just start on that arch because if anything, you could just bring like some of the color down, like, you know what I mean? You could just kind of brush in the pencil like towards the front, and then it's not like as heavy. That's just me though. Okay, so that's that. By the way, I'm gonna just do one eye and then do the other eye like off camera because I don't want this video to be too long. It's just a little quick tutorial. Should I do my full face? I don't like makeup. No, I'm not gonna do that shit. Fuck that. Like, I don't really know. I tried to use the pomade one time, but like it just wasn't working out for me. I got like the middle part done pretty much. Just dab that in there a little bit. I'm barely touching my brow, by the way. Like, I'm barely touching it. I don't want that shit to be thick, for real. I don't even know if I was showing you that the whole time, but look. I know in like high school, like my freshman year, my eyebrows used to look crazy, but honestly, that's how some of y'all's eyebrows be looking now. So y'all need to get it together, because I'm not doing that with y'all. I be looking at y'all like y'all crazy. Because everybody is different, you know? Everybody has different preferences. Alright, so now I'm going to take my concealer. My concealer is Ratchet. I don't even want to show it on camera, but it's the, I'm pretty sure this is Maybelline. I'm going to take the small brush and I always like just take some off of the brush, because I really don't like using mad, like, you don't need all that shit, like, dead ass. Unless you have, like, if your skin is different, I just don't use it that much, because, like, it's not, again, it's not that serious. I have a tendency of stretching my eyebrow out just so I can get everything, you know. Make sure you get that arch, honey. So I'm just gonna go to the top. And that's how I like my tail to look. Like, you see how it's like kind of just ombre'd out? Like, just go back in with the pencil a little bit, because once you put the concealer on, you can kind of get like a contrast of like, oh, does this look okay, you know? And I always make the like bottom of my eyebrow darker than the top, if you get what I'm saying. Like, when I'm outlining it, I make this a little bit darker than up here, because it's supposed to like fade out as you go up. Alright. So I'm going to take the e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to just kind of like, I'm blending down towards, and make sure you just get all that stuff. You don't want that white line, or like whatever they call it, that ghost, whatever the fuck, I don't know what they call it, but when you have that little line up there, that is not cute. Again, they can tell that you have makeup on. That defeats the whole entire purpose of the natural eyebrows. Like, sis, what are you doing? I refuse to do makeup because, like, I don't know. I don't think I'm the best at like makeup and stuff, but I definitely draw and can blend and all that stuff. It just doesn't add up. Nothing's adding up. Maybe because I need better makeup. Who knows? So all of a sudden, I guess my camera just decided to cut the recording. I don't know who told you to do that, but don't do that again. You probably are, but it's okay. But I haven't done anything. But yeah, look. So clean. Like, what? Get right. No, I need to fix it a little bit, but yeah, that's where I'm at right now. I'm like not really fucking with how it's looking right now. Alright, we're gonna just like, alright, that looks good so far, I guess. Alright, so now I'm gonna just take foundation. This is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I don't know what shade this is. Oh, it's 94 Almond. Have fun. It's old. Like, don't make fun of me. That's why I don't even want to show it on camera, but it's whatever. And, like, I'm not about to just get makeup for a whole new video. Y'all could, you know what, but just put foundation on the brush, because, again, I'm not dabbing a whole bunch of shit on my eyebrows. I don't know how this video is gonna turn out. I'm a little ratchet. I just be talking mad shit, but it's okay. I feel like at the end of the day, like, people talk shit. Like, it's just... And, like, oh, Jesus. Like, when people take their eyebrows all the way out here, for what, sis? Like, just cover your fucking eye. Like, I'm not saying I do eyebrows perfect, but I'm just so picky when it comes to that. Like... God, I heard noise and I'm here by myself. Girl. I probably should have damped it a little bit, but I mean, I don't really care at this point. Alright, that eye is pretty much done. Okay. Alright, I'm extra. So I'm gonna do the other eye and I'm gonna come back. So I'm back and I'm basically done. I just wanted to show what I usually do at the ending of me finishing my eyebrows, because I like the middle to be even. So I just take my finger and kind of just like raise it so like I can see if they're matching up, and then
kind of go in and just kind of match them up and make sure the lines are straight.
they look alright today. Could have done better, but you know. Okay, yeah, so there's my finished eyebrows. Okay, so you can never go wrong with adding the lip gloss to the finishing touch. Putting Vaseline on first and then lip gloss, I just blush you. I'm just glossy over here. Honestly, when I started this video, I was just a little bit shook because I was like, okay, wait. So awkward. I'm just kind of like talking to myself, you know, speaking my thoughts out loud. But thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys want to watch me do. I'm pretty boring. I don't really do makeup and all that, but I do like to talk about stuff. So let me know.